How to install Adobe Acrobat DC to read PDF? You'll search in Google or in your favorite browser Acrobat Reader and open the first website, the one that says Get Adobe. It will open in your default language, but in this tutorial we will be using the English version. You can check the button to install an extension on Google Chrome, if you are using Google Chrome, but we won't be using it, so I will uncheck it. There are two versions of Acrobat, the free one and the pro one, which have more features. We will go with the free one. Click on Download Acrobat Reader and save it in your favorite folder. Finally, you will open the recent download, which is a zip archive. It will automatically begin to install in your computer once you click it. Now, let's just wait for it to complete the loading. It will take you about 3 to 5 minutes, but we will cut that part in the video. And when it's complete, click on Finish. That way, it will open right after finishing. And that's it! Now you can open your PDF files and even have some nice features. Just remember that some of them are premium. And thanks for watching, and subscribe for more cosplay tutorials.